All right, I'm doing this video from my phone because I wanted to show you the mobile app Family Tree. If you don't have it yet, go over to the App Store and search for FamilySearch Tree. And if you already have it, it'll say open. If you don't have it yet, it'll say get, and you can click on that to install it. Once you've installed it and signed in, this is the default view. You'll see your family tree. So here's mine. Whee! Now, I wanted to show you specifically the processing of tasks. If you look down at the bottom, on the far left, you'll see the tree icon, but right next to that is tasks. I'm going to tap on that. In this list, you'll see all of your ancestors with tasks. Now, there are temple tasks indicated by the temple, and then if I pull down just a little bit, you can see there are also hints. I'm going to tap on hints, and those are the blue ones. Now, these hints, they are documents from history, like marriage certificates and draft papers, that have your ancestor's name on them, and we can now attach those to your ancestor in order to provide evidence that they are real and to also connect them with different events in history and connect them with other people. This is one way to fill out your family tree. For example, we might find a father or a mother on a document, and if they hadn't been part of our family tree in the past, they will now show up on our family tree, which is really cool. So this is something I do just in my spare time. It takes 30 seconds to 60 seconds maybe to process one of these. So let me just click on one. I'm going to click on the blue icon next to Margaret Ann Wiley. And here are all the different documents that haven't been processed yet. If I tap on the down arrow for one of them, I can scroll down and click on Compare. This brings up on the left the document and on the right what's in my family tree already. We can see that M.S. Rubel is who they found in the document. They think this is Margaret Ann Wiley. I would like more information before I confirm that. Here's why they think that. Is because W.L. Rubel is the listed spouse on the document, and the spouse in family tree is William Lewis Rubel. And they have a Lily Rubel as a child, and there's a Lily Rubel here. So, is it likely that M.S. Rubel, so Ms. Rubel, is Margaret Ann Wiley? It probably is. Now, if I thought the name in the document was more accurate than the name I had on my family tree, I could click on the edit button there on the top right, the pencil icon, and I could use that. But I think Margaret Ann Wiley is more accurate, so I'm going to scroll down, make sure there's no additional information. I'll hit Yes, Attach. If I didn't think it was correct, I'd hit No, Not a Match. But there are two others in this document, so I'm going to hit Review Others. And then I'm going to just match these. So Lily Rubel this is the correct person. Those event dates, birth are the same. And hit yes, so it is now attached to the daughter. And now W.L. Rubel, this is the right person. Scroll down, it looks like it has a residence listed that I didn't have before. So I'm going to tap on the add arrow and hit yes, attach. And now on the top right, it'll say done. So I'm going to click on done, and I'll do one more. Let's see, compare. And Margaret Ann Wiley, this is the same person for sure. It says that the data on the left is probably more accurate, or at least it's different. So I'm going to click on the edit icon for birth, and I'm going to hit save. I'm going to hit apply down towards the bottom there, and that's going to apply the more accurate information, and then I'll hit save. Now it's added that to her record on my family tree. Scroll down. And there's nothing new, so I'll hit yes. That's going to attach it, and it says there are two others on this record. Hit review. And Francis Ashbury, yep, this is the same person. Looks like they just spelled the middle name slightly differently, but I'm not sure which is correct, so I'm just going to leave it. Hit yes, attach. Let's do one more. Nancy Ann Wiley versus Lucy Ann Smith. Hard to tell. I'm going to open up spouse and children. Yes, that's definitely the same spouse. The child, Margaret Ann Wiley, is the child of these two, also in the right side. So, yeah, this is probably the same person. I'm not sure why the name is so different. Might just be a misreading. So I'm going to hit yes, attach, and hit done. Now, if there were no more here, I could go back with the back arrow at the top left and could find more down here. For example, for Charles William Harper. There's just one. I'll hit the down arrow, hit compare. Charles W. Harper, Charles William Harper, yes, same name. Death 30 July 1940, yes, that is the same. And so yes, this is the correct person. I'll hit yes, attach. And that was it. There are no others on this document, so I just hit done. And you can see it says there are no more hints for this person. I'll hit the back arrow. That person will disappear, and I can process the next one. But you can see when I'm narrating it, it takes a little bit longer, but it's still only 30 to 60 seconds per document. You can probably process a couple of these a minute. So I hope that's helpful. Enjoy.